Right guys, how you doing? Welcome back, it's me Tony, and this is Millie, our little Frenchie. Lovely little dog. She's got zoomies today, so... right, something a little bit different for us actually. Instead of being out on the motorbike, not being well, so instead we thought I'd do a little bit of gardening. But behind us, if you can see, we've got 4 100-litre pots filled with potatoes. And the plan today is really just empty them out and just see how many potatoes we've got. Let's go. Right, okay, so these are the 4-litre pots. They are 100 litre, well, I think they're 100 litres, they're pretty big. I think I got them off Amazon at the time. They're already pre-drilled with holes, and basically I've put 4 seeded potatoes in here. I think I did it around March time. And it's around about August now, as you can see, they're just starting to die off nicely. This one's not as bad, but this one here is starting to die off, which I've been told is the best time for cropping your potatoes. Yeah, we've got 4. It's definitely dying off. I think dog's been in this one. Dog's been sat in it and smashed it up, but to be fair, it's looking good. And as you can see as well, if I look into there, there's some potatoes. Hello. What's your name? Are you helping me find some potatoes? Yeah. Way. Yeah, as you can see with these 100-litre tubs, obviously they're not very tall, they're more wide than tall. And one of the problems we've been having is we've got taters, little taters coming up out of the top, and they are green. And the reason that they're green is because, well, obviously age, but we've got sun and UV rays getting through. So ideally you need a taller tub and more soil, just so you're protecting your potatoes from the sun. And if you have got something like this and there's potatoes coming up, I'd highly advise getting some grass cuttings and just covering it up just to stop it from getting sunburnt. Right, okay, let's get it tipped up and let's see what's inside. It's going to take a bit of tipping, I think, this. I think it's going to be stuck. Whoa. Came over, didn't it? Let's break it up and see what's inside. Of course I am. Right, do you want to come and help me find some potatoes?
Oh, yeah. And then I have to play my game again.
Yeah, you come and get some taters out. Right, if you come and sit here, get some taters. We've got to find them in all the muck. Okay? Yeah, get them with your hands. Pull them out.
Look at this one. Look at this one.
There's lots, isn't there?
Oh, yeah. This is always not.
Pass me that one here.
I don't really love.
They're not very big, they're only quite small.
Yeah, but this one is super big.
Yeah, that's a big one, isn't it? Right, come on, let's keep looking for some more. Got to get as many as we can, alright?
I found one.
Yeah, that's a big one, isn't it? Look at that one. How many can we find? Let's find lots.
I found one.
They're going to be hidden. They're all small. I thought they'd have been bigger than these. Yeah, that's only a small one as well. Some really small ones.
This one is stuck. Look.
There's going to be loads in here, Willow.
Yeah.
That one. No. Look. Potato all. I think these are Maris Piper as well, by the way. Maris Piper potatoes. I'll double check before we finish. Look at that tiny one. It's a little one, that, isn't it?
Yeah. Look at this massive one.
Some big ones.
This massive one.
Yeah, we've got to break some of these open.
Yeah.
I'm going to guess that the soil's too hard.
Look.
A little one? Whoa, look at that one. That's a big one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at these tiny ones.
Yeah. No, you leave them on there, it's fine. Look at all these ones here. Whoa, there's loads, isn't there?
Yeah. I found one.
Yeah, let's get some of these out then.
Yeah. Well, I found one. This one is a big one, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got some really big ones, haven't we? It's going to take ages to pick them all out. Yeah, pick them off.
Oh, I can't do it.
Doing it by hand, aren't we?
I can just do little ones, but not big ones.
Alright.
Found one!
You got one?
Yeah. Oh, that one's green.
Yeah.
That turning green.
So this is a mix of compost and soil. Don't know what kind of soil, what kind of compost, got no idea. Just loam free.
And everyone has to get all the potatoes.
Everyone has to get all the potatoes?
Yeah.
I think Mummy's just bought some potatoes from shop as well. We could have used these, couldn't we?
Yeah. We can give us some free.
Could have done.
Yeah. Well, it's so slowly.
Nah, get off. Right, let's get these on here, look.
Yeah.
Some big ones.
I found one. Yeah.
Found lots.
Yeah.
Got to get your hands dirty, haven't we? Is that about it? I would say for a 100 litre tub, he's not a right lot really, is there?
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be again.
Well, I don't think we've done too bad, to be honest with you, with his little crop of potatoes that we've got. We've emptied all 4 tubs. There's 100 litre tubs, which is pretty big. I mean, they don't look as big on video, but that's just soil that's left. But this is our little score. Plenty of taters in there. Loads of small ones, to be fair. They're small ones. Quite a few big ones in here. Got no idea what they weigh, but there's a couple hundred there, easy. So, what do you think? Anyway, that's it, guys, for the video. Cheers, bye.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.